Hello guys, today we are going to introduce Autel Bluetooth adapter. This Bluetooth adapter with illuminator will help you to find OBD diagnostic socket and connect it easily in a relatively dark environment. This Bluetooth adapter is compatible with Autel MK908, MS906BT, MK808BT, and other Autel devices. Of course, it must support Bluetooth functions. If the Bluetooth adapter gets lost or damaged, no worry, just buy a new one and replace it. This one will match your Autel devices perfectly after receiving it. Okay, then we'll show you how to use Autel Bluetooth adapter. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into the Benz ECU. Enter the VCI menu. When the Bluetooth is connected successfully, it will display a green tick here, and then the blue signal will light up. Enter the diagnostic software. Select Benz model. Select Automatic Scan. Click on Read and read out the VIN number. Click OK to enter. Select the option of Diagnosis and then the engine ECU. The engine information is read. Then the green light in the middle of the Bluetooth adapter will be flashing. Read out the ECU information. Read out fault code. Now the fault code is read out, which means the Autel Bluetooth adapter works well when testing with Autel MK908. That's all. Thank you for watching. Any questions and suggestions, please leave your message below.